Hello everyone, my name is Grishma and welcome back to our channel. So I'm glad that you want to learn elbow stand. And that's why I'm here with a few tips and tricks and few exercises for you to balance in elbow stand. So in a few days, get ready to become a master in it. So without any delay, let's get into it.
Basically, elbow stand is also known as Vrichikasana in terms of yoga. Many people do not understand this and call it elbow stand. It will be better if we practice it the way it is, that is Vrichikasana. Throughout the video, I will be using it as elbow stand for you to understand better, but it is originally called as Vrichikasana.
Let's get into it.
The main thing that everyone must remember is that before getting off into any kind of physical activity, it is must that we warm our body. So we need to do a few exercises that will warm up our body, and especially those parts which are important for us to perform that workout. So first let's stretch those parts which are important to do an elbow stand. They are shoulders, elbows and trunk. And then we can proceed on with how to do an elbow stand. For the warm-up tutorial, we will leave a link in the description so that you can have a safe warm-up routine. Stretch your body completely but slowly to avoid any injuries within. Bend front and back according to your capacity and do not force your body to do more because you might end up injuring yourself. Coming to the procedure of doing elbow stand, there are many methods to do one, but here I will be teaching you the easiest way, so stay tuned till the last. This method is to bring out the fear within you to kick your legs up, and it is also used to train your brain as to how it feels when your legs are up in the air. Now slowly start kicking the leg you're comfortable with without lifting the other leg on the ground. Now slowly start lifting the other leg also. This is to create a momentum to lift your legs and stay in the air. And once you get the momentum, stretch your leg as much as possible to maintain a balance on both the sides. It is advisable for beginners to interlock your fingers tightly so that you can get a better balance during your starting times. Once you do not fear anymore to lift your legs on your own, go to the wall and place your legs on the wall. So now you must do this to improve the strength of your shoulders and elbows to hold yourself on your hands. Now once your shoulder is capable of bearing you, you can start bringing your leg off the wall and try to balance on your own. And then when you're not able to balance on your own, bring back the leg again to the wall. So keep doing this process until you're confident about yourself. Now it's time to learn how to fall down. Yes, if you have to learn how to stand on your elbows, then you also need to know how to fall down. Many fear to fall down, so I've bought you pillows that will help you protect yourself. After practicing this, you will be able to fall down in a professional manner and also come back in the same way. After all the practice you have done for days, you will be able to stand on your elbows either by interlocking your hands or by keeping it separate. Now I have a pro tip for all of you. If you want to stay better on your elbow stand, then you will have to press your fingertips towards the ground to create better grip for the posture. After practicing all these exercises and tips, and once you become perfect in this asana, you can try any variation you want and click good pictures.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you found it useful, and please do not think that you will get it within the first attempt. You need to be persistent, consistent, and you need to work hard to get this. And this is the stepping stone to a handstand, complete handstand. So if you become a master in this with continuous practice, everyday practice, then I'm sure you will be able to get handstand also. So do not forget to practice this every day.
Before we finish up with this video, I just wanted to take a moment to talk about the 2-day workshop we will be conducting, of which all the details are given in the description box below. All you have to do is read the PDF and fill out a Google form in which you will be asked a few general questions and upload the screenshot of the payment.